and I found a leak. The leak's right here. And then whoever installed this vent doesn't need to be so close to the chimney. Well, let me show you what happened here too. Why is it leaking? Well, these shingles ain't installed right. You can see where they cut it right there. And you can see that crack in the plastic vent where it's, this nails ain't installed right. They're too deep. These shingles supposed to go underneath the vent. All they did was put tar and the nails ain't even right. So we're gonna fix it. It's not gonna leak anymore once I'm done. So I'm gonna replace the plywood. I'm gonna eliminate this vent right here. It's too close to the chimney. And I'm gonna add a vent right here. On to the next one.